Hi, Greg Dorsey here. It's Monday, November 19th at Leeb's Market Forecast. Stocks continue to rally today with the S&P 500 up 2% on the day and up more than 3% from Friday's intraday lows. The breadth of the move, with advancing issues outpacing decliners on the NYSE by a 7.5 to 1 margin, and volume up an even more impressive 14.5 to 1 margin, suggests that we'll see follow-through buying in the coming days. As was the case last week, politics were at the heart of the move. The gains have occurred on investor optimism that some progress will be made with respect to avoiding the fiscal cliff. And while real progress remains to be seen, the folks in Washington on both sides of the aisle understand the ramifications of more than $600 billion in mandated spending cuts and tax increases would be to push our still fragile economy back into recession. Such austerity has done nothing to help Spain and Greece, and it would likewise be detrimental to the U.S. economy. Speaking of Europe, the Eurozone finance ministers are expected to greenlight 44 billion euros, that's about $56 billion, in aid for Greece tomorrow to be dispersed in early December. The latest tranche in bailout funds will help the club-mid country to avoid default, dialing back concerns for the Eurozone as a whole, at least for now. It wasn't just stocks that caught a bid today. Commodities, with the exception of natural gas, were up across the board. Improved expectations for growth in the U.S. and the reduced threat of deeper recession in Europe get much of that credit as well. Middle East tensions added to the buying interest in crude oil, which, like stocks, is still oversold on a short-term basis and likely to climb further in the near term. Well, that's enough for one day. Stop by again later this week. We'll have more for you.